I like the two differences here. Or wash cars. So there is water at this campground. And all the boys made it, as you saw, so we're packing up. Second to last day on trail. We're gonna go get it. So Horsepower is being a bold man. I just crossed the creek there because I thought wet feet were better than falling into a puddle. But he's showing his boldness. He got through the trickiest part. That is a good sign.
You know what this is all about, Constantine?
I gotta say, I think I know the word you're gonna say. Is it about that?
All about balance.
There you go. Wow, okay, impressive. It is 8:54 on April 29th, and that's the last turtle in Kentucky. Last Kentucky turtle. Nice little campsite right at the state line. Let's see if they have a state line sign. Nope. Oh, there's a welcome to Kentucky. Kentucky's slept on state. She's pretty, so we'll get me a picture with the Kentucky. Really slept on state. Really, really pretty. So yeah, Tennessee bound. It's like every state has a John Muir Trail. Old Southern Terminus. I think this is the way we still... Oh. No. Guess it's this way. Double check the maps. Okay. For southbounders, it is a hard left there. Follow the signs for the new Northern Terminus. Do not go straight. Unless you want to end at the old Southern Terminus. Tennessee bridges for the win so far. Nah, Kentucky has some really good bridges too. Well, that's unfortunate. No privy. Really hoping for one. Oh well. So I didn't see the first campsite. There were two camping icons in these squiggles and squaggles. It's about, I think now I'm about 1.5 miles before the overlook. Maybe a mile before Wildcat Trail, somewhere in there. But I didn't see the first camping spot. The second camping icon does indeed have camping. So think I'm gonna push to that overlook, take a break. Past horsepower, and Professor was packing up this morning, so hopefully nice sunny little break spot to wait on the boys, see what the dealio is. So this might be the overlook. You keep going up a little bit, but this may be it. Might poke my head up there just to double check, but pretty sure this is the overlook. Let's go up just a tad. Okay, might do a little U-ey, go back and sit on that rock. Went to the top, but I think that is the overlook, so I'll go post up there. A little brushed in up here, so back to my rock. They said steep stairs. They weren't lying. Oh, I don't know if I want to do the stairs or... Camera never does it justice. I don't like stairs that steep. Might try to get down this way. Nice little camp spot. I think it's right before climbing up to something called Maud's Crack. So I think it's like 0.8 before. It'll be a good rock climbing rock. I bet that's Maud's Crack. Maybe. Don't know what I'm looking at. Do you know what this shape is?
Yeah, it's John Muir's head.
Oh. I'm like, that's not the shape of Tennessee. So it's even the same thing with magpie is...
Like regularly fluctuate like 30 plus pounds a year.
Yeah.
Like gain 30 pounds, lose 30 pounds.
Wow.
Every year.
I mean, there might be a bridge upstream, but might also not. All right, so the quality of track has deteriorated a little bit. Not just the quick crossing, but the 2-track is a little wet and soggy. A little hour more and some change.
We'll see if it's accurate. What do you think, over or under?
Well, we're close. I don't know if I smell food yet, though, but hopefully. That is awesome.
I have been thinking about this all day.
Did you know?
Water at all.
Did you know there was gonna be 6 Dr. Peppers?
I thought it was 6. I had 1 for sure.
Oh man, Professor, you're looking good with that candlelight background.
So close. Oh, good. I'm so close to genocide. Oh man. A phrase you never want to have to say.
Yeah, I didn't think I would ever hear that.
So close.
Good thing it's on video.
Is B-I-C-K a word? I know B-I-C is.
No,
I don't think so.
I'm not gonna count it. If you didn't count my bugs word, I'm not gonna count that one.
Word, first of all, again, it wasn't bugs, because bugs is a word.
Well, tomato, tomato. Oh my god, so much food. Yes.
I guess I'm gonna have to sit there.
Oh.
This is done, right?
Yeah, I was just going to keep this one. Don't forget to give it to you.
That is perfect. I've never won an odds against horsepower, but I finally won an odds against Professor.
1.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, this is gonna bounce your... Yeah. This is gonna bounce the bellies a little bit.
Some of them have been broken.